Thanks for staying with us here on the Urban Debate. We're now going to turn our attention to the city of Mumbai. And it's a story of every year. Every year we have the same conversation. As the monsoons arrive, the city comes to a complete standstill. Infrastructure crumbles. And there's just water everywhere. The trees fall, power goes out, there's just water everywhere. Little bit of rainfall, trains come to a standstill because the tracks are flooded. Roads are flooded, there are traffic snarls all across the place, and we just simply sitting by, waiting and hoping that once the rain stops, the water will recede, it will flow into some or the other drain, somehow get out of our Mumbai streets and our railway tracks. Year after year, promises are made to us, nothing changes on ground. Today was one of those days, the first round of rain for this year's monsoon, and already havoc all across the city, from South Mumbai to North, from the suburbs to the metropolitan region outside of the city of Mumbai. The same story everywhere, water logging, a few hours of rainfall, and most people were simply glad that they are working from home and they didn't have to step out. But many people did have to step out, and they did have to go through all the trouble, and life did become difficult for them. So we want to ask this question one more time. Why is the same story repeated year after year? To begin with, I have Maharashtra Minister, Mr. Nawab Malik, Minister for Minority Development, joining us this evening. Mr. Malik, there was such tall claims made about monsoon preparedness this time. A huge budget that was announced even by the civic body. But nothing's changed on ground. I mean, after an economic slowdown and a pandemic, do the people of Mumbai now deserve this?
See, Tanvi, today there was a water logging everywhere. More than 15 places there was a water logging. Definitely, Western Railway or Central Railway or Harbour Railway services were affected. Central Railway totally shut down. Partly Harbour was running, but it was delayed. Western, this is the situation was there. What BMC has given a clarification that 300 millimeter rainfall was there in the city of Mumbai. And especially when the high tide was there in afternoon 12 o'clock near about, at that time 70 millimeter rainfall was there, 3 hours continued in the city of Mumbai. They had said that discharge of rainwater or storm water, the capacity of Mumbai city is 30 to 40 millimeter per hour rainfall. Every year, if there is a heavy rainfall, every year the BMC is saying that capacity of storm water drain is less. That means you have to make a planning. The island city, since 3-4 years, we are seeing earlier it was never drawn. Some of the areas where waterlogging was there, but 3-4 years we are seeing that many of the part of the island city is waterlogging is taking place. You give a reason that only capacity is very less, then you must make a plan, future plan. You must increase the capacity, and how much time it will take. An entire plan should be there. They have to plan. It is a responsibility of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai. But what exactly happens? People in the city are staying here. Local representatives are there. But officers, every 2 years, 3 years, some new officer come. He plan for his in own way. And this problem is continuing. That's why I know when Mumbai city was flooded in 2006, the Brimstone project was planned. 15 years has been passed. The entire Brimstone project has not been implemented. So how long it will take? Definitely there is some kind of a negligence in the Mumbai city.
Yes. So, Mr. Malik, let me ask you this question. There is a lack of intent here. It's not even a fund problem, money problem. The BMC had allocated 5,000 crore rupees, has allocated 5,000 crore rupees simply for sewage and water drainage budget for the current year. If I see last year, of the total drainage budget, only 44% was spent. There are crores and crores lying with Mumbai civic body that don't get used. Plan after plan after plan is made that never gets implemented. You yourself pointed out a 15-year-old plan that's still not been completed. My question to you then is, Mr. Nawab Malik, this is the financial capital of the country, with lakhs of people living here. If the civic body fails to do its job, is the government going to do anything about it or not?
Definitely, as a government, state is responsible as well. It is a state responsibility also to ask Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai why this problem is not resolved. 15-year Brimstone project has been planned. Till today, it is not completed. As you said, the budgetary provision has been made, but expenditure part, they are not implementing. There are some kind of a problem. See, you are mixing two issues, drainage and issue. This stormwater issue, there are two systems. One is sewage lines and other is stormwater drain line. In Mumbai city, it was laid down by the British, and from that time, no new plan has been made for the island city. They have to make a new plan. They have to increase the capacity of the island city as well. Brainstorm project. Some of the areas it is stuck because a lot of slum have to remove. The policy have to change due to rehabilitation delayed. Many of the areas, the widening of the nalas not has been done. That means implementation part is very much slow. Every 2 year new engineer come, then he start surveying, then he will say next year we will take this project and we will complete within 2-3 years. So year and year the projects are delayed. That's why this kind of a situation we are facing. Somewhere we have to make a target. Up to this year, the capacity of Mumbai city of stormwater drain will be doubled, and it should be implemented within the time frame. Otherwise, year and year, this kind of a question will be there.
Okay. No, but so here is the point. I think time frames come and go, deadlines come and go, but nothing changes. The people have to keep this in mind the next time there are civic body elections and vote accordingly. But if the civic body doesn't do its job, then the government needs to come into play. And you need to also, Mr. Malik, speak to your allies who largely have control of the BMC to fix this problem now. I mean, enough is enough when it comes to the city of Mumbai. But thank you so much, Nawab Malik, for speaking to us and joining us this evening on this big conversation. I also say good evening to Balchandra Shirsat of the BJP and Charan Singh Sapra of the Congress Party joining me right now on this conversation as well. Here is the problematic point, Mr. Shirsat. We were told by the civic body on 30th of May that 89% of the desilting work of the major nalas has been done and we are better prepared for monsoon. Now, I as a citizen of Mumbai think that when civic body tells us desilting is done, they mean to tell us that they pulled it out of the drains and they kept it next to the drain so that when the first rains come through, all of it goes back into the same drain. Is that how it works?
See, actually, Tanvi, the silt is pulled out and again it is going back. I am telling you, there are many nalas where the silt is not removed from the nala itself. Jijamata Nagar Mahul Nala, Somaya Nala in Ghatkopar, Janakalyan Nala in Kativli. There are n number of nalas which are not at all desilted. There is no question of removing the silt and carrying the silt or silt lying at the border boundary. This desilting is 100 crore job done by different contractors in the city, and they have not done even 30% job. However, administration claims the cleaning is done to 107%, and on 5th of June, Mayor said 100% nala desilting is over. Yesterday, there was a review meeting conducted by Honorable Mayor of Mumbai just to check what is the status of nalas, because BJP has taken round and BJP has alleged the nala safai is not done It is only Hath Safai. So Mayor took that meeting, and in the meeting, Shiva Sena Chairman Standing Committee, Yashwant Jadhav said, administration has done extremely good job and I wish to congratulate them. And today, after just 24 hours, today we have seen the flooded Mumbai. See, the thing is that what Mr. Nawab Malik was saying is not correct. There was not 300 mm of rain 26 July 2005. The rain was very heavy in the century, 900 mm in 24 hours. Now, if you consider yesterday's rain, from yesterday 8 o'clock to morning 8 o'clock, it was just 50 mm. Capacity of drains in 2005 was carrying 25 mm per hour, which has been augmented to 50 mm per hour. From 2005 till 2021, Shiva Sena government in municipal corporation has spent more than 22,000 crores, more than 22,000 crores just on this storm water drain to carry rainwater to the drain. That's all. Sewerage system is separate. You said only 44% is utilized, that is in sewerage. Here for storm water drain, tremendous money under the name of Chitale Committee report and brimstone has been done. But it's a piecemeal work. Only simple part is done. Complicated part is left. Integrated approach to the work has not been taken and everything has gone into drains of commission.
You know, so there are two aspects to it, Mr. Shirsad. One is what you already have and preparing that. Stormwater drains cleanup, desilting of the nalas, fixing your roads, removing all the concrete that's lying around everywhere, choking your drains across the city, that part. And then there is a second part, which is a constant development that needs to happen, expansion that needs to happen to keep up with pace with the city, to keep up pace with the growing population, with the expanding city, and thereby designing your water drainage system accordingly. The second part is nobody's even attempting that. I think it's just on paper. It's been on paper for past 15 years now. The Brimstowad master plan that was made missed its two deadlines. Last deadline was 2015, then 2019. Nothing has changed there. But Charan Singh Sapra, now we are looking at a possibility and situation where even the basic work is not done. Mr. Sapra, even the basic preparation has not been done. It took us 2 hours today to totally crumble.
You are right that BMC's monsoon preparedness got washed away on the very first day of the rain. I feel the ruling party in BMC, they are definitely answerable to the Mumbaikars. All their promises have fallen flat. You know, they had promised, as Mr. Shirsad rightly said, 107% of nalas have been cleaned, and probably in the suburb 89% they had made a claim. But myself and Mumbai Congress president as well as leader of opposition who is from Congress party, we visited Ghatkopar Nala, we visited Govandi Nala, we visited Dharavi Nala. It was absolutely packed, and we have complained it to the commissioner also. But still today what has happened, we all have seen. I feel I'm amused at BJP spokesperson, the way he was criticizing. He was already in alliance with Shiv Sena for 24 years. BJP has ruled this BMC since 24 years. Now, since last 4.5 years, they are not in power and they are criticizing the ruling party. They are party to that. Had they done a sincere work in earlier 24 years, Mumbai would not have seen this situation. You were talking about the Brimstone project. Let me tell you, you said only 2 targets are missed, not 2. There are 3 deadlines which have been missed. 2011, 2015 and 2019. And a project which was funded by UPA government, Dr. Manmohan Singh gave 1,200 crores to this Brimstone project. It is now enhanced to 4,000 crores. And 58 works were there, out of which they could complete only 38 works in 15 years. They could not complete this project in 15 years. It needs to be criticized, and definitely the Chief Minister or the government has to look into it, that why each year the Mumbaikar or the Mumbai has to face the same situation. Let me also give you some other figures.
Yeah, but you are conveniently part of the government, but only putting the onus, Mr. Sapra. So here is what is happening. You are part of the government, but conveniently putting it on the Chief Minister and his party that has more seats in the civic body. The BJP, which was controlling the civic body for years together with Shiv Sena till a short time ago, raise the voice of Mumbaikar directly with your ally. Why aren't you doing that? Go to your ally partner, speak to them, put pressure. What's the point of being an alliance with them if you can't deliver that to us?
I don't want to talk
So
about
what has
this. Can I
changed?
answer?
Yes, please.
See, Tanvi, time and again, Congress party in Mumbai has taken delegations to the Chief Minister. We have written to the Chief Minister. We have given so many representations to the Commissioner. We have given representations to the Mayor also. And each time they have just taken our papers and nothing has gone through. This is not the problem of 1 year or 5 years. This is a long pending problem of Mumbaikars, which nobody is ready to resolve. Earlier, BJP was there with Shiv Sena. They are equally partnered to that. Let me also tell you that the drainage budget this year, only 44% is spent. So solid waste management, only 21%. Sewage disposal, only 28% has been spent. Fire brigade and disaster management, only 15% has been spent by the BMC. We have been raising this voice as a Congress party. We are the opposition party and we are having the leader of opposition in Mumbai Municipal Corporation. So Congress has been executing its duty. Let me also tell you that Mithi River is also cleaned only 73%. The BMC might be claiming 100%, but let me tell you, it's not gone beyond 70 to 73%. We can face a disastrous situation in Mumbai in the days to come. Today was the first day. Definitely the mayor should come out and take the responsibility, and probably the mayor should also resign. Let me put it that way. This is the Congress spokesperson which is talking. When you have not served the city with sincerely, then you should take the onus also. This is what I wish to say.
Okay. All right. Mr. Shirsa, do respond to the point the Congress is raising, that easy for BJP to now raise these points, but what did you do all the time that you were in alliance with Sena in the BMC?
The Congress spokesperson, my friend, Mr. Charan Singh Sapra, is saying mayor should resign. But when it comes to standing committee, Congress in the standing committee and leader of opposition of Congress in the standing committee, they always have been supporting Shiva Sena even for
No, we have not supported. Wrong.
No, let me complete. They are raising their hand in support of Shiva Sena, and when they come out, they are putting forth the hand. What for, I don't know. I will give you an example of yesterday's meeting. Mr. Sapra, yesterday, Mayor has conducted meeting on Nala Safai review. And in that meeting, leader of opposition has not taken clear stand. His stand was dicey, whereas BJP group leader Prabhakar Shinde has taken a very strong stand when Yashwant Jadhav of Shiva Sena said, we want to congratulate administration for good work. So Mr. Prabhakar Shinde said it's not at all a good work. So Ravi Raja, outside congressman, Congress party worker is different, and in the standing committee is different, and he is keeping mum. So Congress is having double standards. So let us not talk about it. This whole logging.
But you haven't explained what did you do. You haven't explained what did you do, or did you never have any control, any interest, any role to play in the civic body yourself?
We have been raising our voice rigorously on every issue, not only drain, and on drain 25,000 crores of rupees are spent since 2005. So in last 16 years,
this is the bad luck This is the unfortunate part that we have,
Okay.
that everybody is raising their voice, but nobody is actually getting the work done. If only the Shiv Sena would come and be part of our conversations about Mumbai being waterlogged. My apologies, Mrs. Sapra, I'm completely out of time, so I will not be able to come to you. But I want to put this on record. If only Shiv Sena would come and speak to us about this issue, tell us the work that they have done in the last 15 years, that they have literally called the shots in Mumbai's civic body. 44% of the budget being spent year after year, those are the levels we look at. You have the money, you don't spend it. Wherever you spend, it doesn't show. Nothing changes on ground. You say 70%, 80% work done. Where is the work done? First day of monsoons and we've completely collapsed. Proper monsoon showers are yet to begin, where for days together we'll see non-stop rainfall. What's going to happen then? What will happen when the city fully unlocks by then and people begin to travel in larger numbers? Where is the accountability for this civic body and the work that they do year after year, the promises that they make and the claims that they make? Unfortunately, no political party wants to take onus. Not their former allies, not their current allies, not the corporators. The corporators will blame the officials, officials will blame somebody else. A third person will come and blame the mayor. Nobody in the system wants to take accountability or responsibility for the mess that we see in the city year after year. Thank you so much for joining us tonight.